All right, hey, good morning, y'all. I am heading into my office. I'm about to start my day and make some magic happen. How can I not have a great day? Because I just finished my meditation session and Holly and Mindy showed up. Thank y'all so much. That was such a good practice session. But anyway, I want to invite every single one of you to participate in this year's Mastering Real Food for a Lifetime 8-week progression. It kicks off on January 9th. Now, I know most of you probably feel like you've heard this information before in some shape or form, but I promise you that going through this progression each and every time you do, you're going to take something new away from it because it gets better, the concepts get better, we introduce new concepts to explain our foundations, there's a lot more science backing it, every year it gets better. I promise you, you're going to take something great away from it. Plus, you're joining other people that are going through this, and to be honest, like, we need leaders. We need people that have been doing this for a little bit. We need your experience and support as we all go through this together, okay? Now, also, if you are trying to optimize your health, which I know each and every one of you are, it's the name of the game for all of us, just knowing the basics is not enough, all right? You have to continually go through this information and hone it in your mind and hone it through practice, and that's what we're doing in this progression. You think about it, we start with the basics of real food, we progress into maximizing metabolic flexibility and fat burning, we go through a low carb phase, we talk about elimination diets and self-testing, and then we talk about big picture stuff and what we have going on for the rest of the year. So I would love for every single one of you to participate in this. All right, now what I want to do is show you how to access it through your computer and RSVP, and also through the phone. This is also going to be like a little instructional tutorial to show you how to navigate on your phone, because I feel like sometimes there's some confusion with that. All right, so check it out. All right, so to access and RSVP through a PC, you're going to log into community.superhumantransformation.com. We're heading over to events, and by the way, we have a great Setting Intentions workshop next Saturday, December 19th at 10:30 a.m. PST, and that's virtual. It's going to be freaking awesome. I'd love to see all y'all there. Anyway, the other two events we have in here right now is, you'll see there's an in-person RSVP and a virtual RSVP for the Mastering Real Food for a Lifetime kickoff, all right? If you're doing it in person, you're going to click on the event and simply click going, and then I'll know that you're going to be showing up in person, okay? Now, if you're looking to do the virtual, you're going to click on this event. I would appreciate you clicking on going, but then you're also going to want to click on this Crowdcast link so that you can RSVP through Crowdcast so that you can get the link to the actual meeting video. Okay, I think most of you should be familiar with that, but if not, just let me know. And now I'm going to show you how to access it through the phone. All right, now to access through your phone, you're going to pull up your phone and then go to our little application. By the way, I can't wait for us to get an SHT shield there. That's an update coming soon, so it's actually our application. Anyway, when you're inside here, I think where people get confused is, how do we access groups and events? You're going to click on those three lines at the top left, and that will give you this little sidebar navigation. All right, we're going to scroll down, and by the way, you've got the groups, courses, you got our swag store. We're going to click on events, and then we have the same two options. We've got an in-person and a virtual. And remember, all I need is your RSVP for in-person, but if you're going to do the virtual, RSVP, and then also go to the Crowdcast link so that you can RSVP through Crowdcast so that you can actually attend through Crowdcast, okay? Finally, in each one of those, if you want all the details of the whole progression, there's a link that goes to the web page that has all the dates and all the stuff that's being covered throughout the entire progression, okay? And now, finally, I just want to say, reiterate, I would love to see each and every one of you in this progression. All right, it's going to benefit you, and it's going to benefit the people that are going through it. I consider you guys veterans, ultra supporters. Thank you so much for that. We're building something beautiful here. It's going to continue to get better the more people we get in here. And again, would love to see you there. Okay, we'll talk to y'all soon.